Spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam. Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Yo Antah Pravishya Mama Vachamimam Prasuptam Sanjeevayatyakhila Shakti Dharasvadhamna Anyanshya Hastacharana Shravanatvagadin Prananamo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam Prananamo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Shri Ramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham Pujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shakham Vande Valmiki Kokilam Manojavam Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtham Vatatmajam Vanarayuthamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye Charitam Raghunathasya Shatakotipravistaram Ekaikamaksharam Pumsam Mahapatakanashanam. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Valmiki Ramayana session. We are still doing Balakanda only. And we had started a new chapter, but we didn't complete it last time. That was, we are on 45th chapter. And we have done first 26 verses. So we will continue from the 27th verse. And if we just read the heading of what the chapter is there, if you can see that Vishwamitra tells Sri Rama how in the remote past, the gods and the demons conjointly churn the milky ocean using Mount Mandara as the churning rod, and how Lord Shiva drank of the deadly poison skimmed out of it. How, as a result of that churning, appeared Lord Dhanvantari, a bevy of Apsaras, a beverage known by the name of Varuni, and the horse Uchchaishrava, and the Kaustuba gem and nectar, and how the conflict of gods and Daityas ended in the destruction of the latter. So just once we read the heading itself, then we will be back of what that topic is going on. Otherwise, with the gap, to start from there, because I'm very sure nobody has opened the Ramayana after that or read or seen what has happened. Okay, so we are seeing this story of the turning of Milky Ocean. Okay, so are there any kids in the class? Okay, so then let us start with the youngest kid. We'll start with Palama first, and then others. Please raise hands and we'll take turn. Palama, we'll start with you. You can unmute yourself, Ma.
Yes, madam.
No, you call me Varsha. Tato devasura sarve.
Which chapter, madam? 46th one.
No, 45th chapter, 27 shlok.
Oh. 26th one.
26th is over. The next one, 27.
27.
Chapter 45.
26th one. 27.
27. Do you see Tato devasura? Did you find the verse?
Narasireshta.
45 chapter. Chapter 45. 45.
Number 45 only. mine is little different from yours. So last
Yes.
class also I was watching.
Wait, okay.
27th is Udadishtam Nara Sireshta Tataiva Muttamam.
Okay. And what is 88? Sorry,
Udadasya
28?
28 is Aditestu Tata Putra Tito Putrana Sudayan. Egato apyagavan sarve Kayasura Rakshasai Saha.
Okay. And you have checked the chapter number
That is 45.
of Balakanda?
Yes. Balakanda.
Ma'am, I too have the same book. It is from the same place and it's in Tamil. In Tamil, we are finding some verses are different.
Oh.
In, in fact, I'll tell you from which verse we are different. From 18th verse, it is totally different for us.
Oh.
It's the same book. As you said, Gita Press, Balakandam, Ayodhyakanam, everything is the same. But the verses are different.
Yes. Last time you were reading, no, at that time also I was.
So far, what we have encountered was like some words changing in the verse. But now this is like the entire portion and paragraph is only different.
In between also a few verses, sometimes we find it's different. We just mark it and keep it. And sometimes you tell us, okay, you go ahead and you read what you have. So
Yes.
it's been just reading it. But this time it's a big chunk, which is different.
It's a entire verse, entire paragraph only is going. So we don't have only that verse. Could you, how many verses you have in this chapter, Balama?
31.
Okay. And go to the next chapter.
That is 46 one.
How it starts?
Hadeshu, Deshu, Putreshu,
Okay,
Titi.
yeah. So that is correct.
Okay.
That is correct. So 31 you have, and we are having over here 45 verses.
Okay. Here only 31 I have.
Okay. So what I'll do when the 46th chapter comes, I will take you in because Hateshu Teshu is matching with this. Because now this whole chunk is not there. You won't have this whole chunk.
Okay.
I'll call you back again, Amma.
Okay, madam. Okay. Okay,
Oh, you
ma'am.
got me, Varsh.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, that is the practice. Okay, ma'am, you
Okay.
called me. Okay.
Okay. I'll call you for the 46th chapter, Ma. Okay, let us start. Varitama, number 27. Tato devasura sarve
ततो देवासुरा सर्वे
Manthu Raghunandana
ममन्थो रघुनन्दन
Praviveshath patalam
प्रविवेशाथ पातालम्
Manthanah parvatottamah
मन्थानः पर्वतोत्तमः
Tato devasa gandharvaha
ततो देवास गन्धर्वाः
Tushtuvurmadhusudanam
तुष्टुवुर्मधुसूदनम्
Tvangati sarvabhutanam
त्वङ्गतिः सर्वभूतानाम्
Visheshena divaukasam
विशेषेण दिवौकसाम् ततो देवसुराः सर्वे ममन्थु रघुनन्दन प्रविवेशाथ पातालम् मन्थानः पर्वतोत्तमः ततो देवास गन्धर्वाः तुष्टुवुर्मधुसूदनम् सङ्गतिः सर्वभूतानाम् विशेषेण दिवौकसाम्.
Thereupon, the gods as well as the demons all proceeded once more to churn the ocean of milk. O delighter of the Raghus! And immediately Mount Mandara, the foremost of the mountains that served as their churning rod, sank into Patala, the lowest of the subterranean regions. Then the gods, including the Gandharvas, extolled as follows. Lord Vishnu, the destroyer of the demon Madhu, you are the resort of all created beings, particularly of gods, the denizens of heaven. ततो देवासुराः सर्वे ममन्थु रघुनन्दन रविवेशाथ पातालं मन्थानः पर्वतोत्तमः ततो देवास गन्धर्वाः तुष्टुवुर्मधुसूदनं त्वं गतिः सर्वभूतानां विशेषेण दिवौकसाम्. 4 verses together now. पालयास्मान् महाबाहो
पालयास्मान् महाबाहो
गिरिमुद्धर्तुमर्हसि
गिरिमुद्धर्तुमर्हसि
इति श्रुत्वा हृषीकेशः
इति श्रुत्वा ऋषिकेशः
कामठौ रूपमास्थितः
कामठौ रूपमास्थितः
पर्वतं पृष्ठतः कृत्वा
पर्वतं पृष्ठतः कृत्वा
शिष्ये तत्रो दधौ हरिः
शिष्ये तत्रो तद्धौ हरिः
पर्वताग्रन्तु लोकात्मा
पर्वताग्रन्तु लोकात्मा
हस्तेनाक्रम्य केशवः
हस्तेनाक्रम्य केशवः
देवानां मध्यतः स्थित्वा
देवानां मध्यतः स्थित्वा
ममन्थपुरुषोत्तमः
ममन्थः पुरुषोत्तमः
अथ वर्षसहस्रेण
अथ वर्षसहस्रेण
आयुर्वेदमयः पुमान्
आयुर्वेदमयः पुमान्
उदत्तिष्ठत्सु धर्मात्मा
उदतिष्ठत् सुधर्मात्मा
सदण्डः सकमण्डलुः
सदण्डः सकमण्डलुः
पूर्वं धन्वन्तरिर्नाम
पूर्वं धन्वन्तरिर्नाम
अप्सराश्च सुवर्चसः
अप्सराश्च सुवर्चसः पालयास्मान् महाबाहो गिरिमुद्धर्तुमर्हसि इति श्रुत्वा ऋषिकेशः कामठौ रूपमास्थितः पर्वतं पृष्ठतः कृत्वा शिष्ये तत्रो दधौ हरिः पर्वताग्रं तु लोकात्मा हस्तेनाक्रम्य केशवः देवानां मध्यतः स्थित्वा ममन्थः पुरुषोत्तमः अथ वर्षसहस्रेण आयुर्वेदमयः पुमान् उदतिष्ठत् सुधर्मात्मा सदण्डः सकमण्डलुः पूर्वं धन्वन्तरिर्नाम अप्सराश्च सुवर्चसः.
So I'll call you back. We'll first finish one round and for 6 verses. Okay. Thank you, Lalitama. Protect us, O mighty armed one, and be pleased to lift up the mountain from the depths of Patala. Hearing this, Lord Vishnu, the ruler of the senses of all, assumed the form of the divine tortoise and supporting the mountain on his back, lay down at the bottom of that ocean. Nay, holding fast with one hand the top of the mountain and taking up his position in the midst of the gods, Lord Sri Hari, the ruler even of Brahma and Lord Shiva, the supreme person and the soul of the universe, took part in the journey. Then, after 1,000 years, emerged with a staff and a kamandalu in a hand, first of all, a male personage, Dhanvantari by name, the very embodiment of Ayurveda, the science of medicine, whose mind was given to extreme piety, and then a bevy of celestial nymphs possessed of great splendor. पालयास्मान् महाबाहो गिरिमुद्धर्तुमर्हसि इति श्रुत्वा हृषीकेशः कामठौ रूपमास्थितः पर्वतं पृष्ठतः कृत्वा शिष्ये तत्रो दधौ हरिः पर्वताग्रं तु लोकात्मा हस्तेनाक्रम्य केशवः देवानां मध्यतः स्थित्वा ममन्थ पुरुषोत्तमः अथ वर्षसहस्रेण आयुर्वेदमयः पुमान् उदतिष्ठत्सु धर्मात्मा सदण्डः सकमण्डलुः पूर्वं धन्वन्तरिर्नाम अप्सराश्च सुवर्चसः. Lataji, for next 6 verses. We will do two verses.
Okay.
Apsu nirmathana deva
Apsu nirmathana deva
rasat tasmat varastriyaha
rasat tasmad varastriyaha
petur manuja shreshtha
utpetur manuja shreshtha
madapsaraso bhavan
tasmadapsaraso bhavan
jashtih kotyo bhavam stasam
shashtik kotyo bhavam stasam
apsaranam suvarchasam
apsaranam suvarchasam
sankhyayastu kakutstha
asankhyayastu kakutstha
Yastasam paricarikaha
यास्तासां परिचारिकाः अप्सु निर्मथना देव रसात् तस्मात् परस्त्रियः उत्पेतुर्मनुजश्रेष्ठ तस्मादप्सरसो भवन् षष्टिः कोट्यो भवंस्तासाम् अप्सराणां सुवर्चसाम् असंख्येयास्तु काकुत्स्थ यास्तासां परिचारिकाः.
from the very cream, rasa, produced as a result of that famous churning done in the water or up in the form of milk of that ocean, emerged those excellent damsels, O jewel among men. Therefore they became known as Apsaras. From up, so Apsaras. Never knew this pattern. 600 million was the number of those exceptionally effulgent nymphs, while those who served as the female attendants were innumerable. O scion of Kakutstha. Apsu nirmathana deva rasat tasmad varastriyaha utpetur manuja shreshtha tasmad apsaraso bhavan shashtih kotyo bhavam stasam apsaranam suvarchasam asankhyayastu kakutstha यास्तासां परिचारिकाः नतास्म प्रतिगृह्णन्ति
यतास्मत प्रतिगृह्णन्ति
सर्वे ते देवदानवाः
सर्वे ते देवदानवाः
प्रतिग्रहणादेव
अप्रतिग्रहणादेव
वै साधारणा स्मृताः
तावै साधारणा स्मृताः
वरुणस्य ततः कन्या
वरुणस्य ततः कन्या
वारुणी रघुनन्दन
वारुणी रघुनन्दन
उत्पपात महाभागाः
उत्पपात महाभागाः
नो विसर्गा उत्पपात महाभागा
उत्पपात महाभागा
मार्गमाणा परिग्रहम् नतास्मत्
प्रतिगृह्णन्ति सर्वे ते देवदानवाः अप्रतिग्रहणादेव तावै साधारणा स्मृताः वरुणस्य ततः कन्या वारुणी रघुनन्दन उत्पपात महाभागा मार्गमाणा परिग्रहम्.
To figure out actually, when these words like Mahateja, Mahabhaga, sometimes there is Visarga and sometimes not there. I'm not aware of that rule, but I know with something. So I'll just figure out and get back on this part. But at the moment, we'll not do a Visarga. So Where are we now? All those gods and demons refused to accept them as wife. Due to their non-acceptance alone, they came to be known as public women. Then emerged from the ocean of the milk or scion of Raghu, the highly blessed Varuni, the deity presiding over spirituous liquor. A daughter of Varuna, the god presiding over the waters, seeking for a husband. Natasma pratigrinhanti sarve te devadanavaha प्रतिग्रहणादेव तावै साधारणा स्मृताः वरुणस्य ततः कन्या वारुणी रघुनन्दन उत्पपात महाभागा मार्गमाणा परिग्रहम्. I don't know. Mahabhaga. Ditev putra natau Rama.
दितेः पुत्रा नतां राम
जगृहुर्वरुणात्मजाम्
जगृहुर्वरुणात्मजाम्
अदितेस्तु सुता वीर
अदितेस्तु सुता वीर
जगृहुस्तामनिन्दिताम्
जगृहुस्तामनिन्दिताम्
असुरास्तेन दैतेयाः
असुरास्तेन दैतेयाः
सुरास्तेनादिते सुताः
सुरास्तेनादिते सुताः
हृष्टाः प्रमुदिताश्चासन्
हृष्टाः प्रमुदिताश्चासन्
वारुणी ग्रहणात् सुराः
वारुणी ग्रहणात् सुराः दितेः पुत्रा नतां राम जगृहुर्वरुणात्मजाम् अदितेस्तु सुता वीर जगृहुस्तामनिन्दिताम् असुरास्तेन दैतेयाः सुरास्तेनादिते सुताः हृष्टाः प्रमुदिताश्चासन् वारुणी ग्रहणात् सुराः.
Lataji, we'll see second down this possible later. The demon, son of Aditi, O Rama, did not take to wife the said Varuni, but the gods, the sons of Aditi, O valiant one, accepted her, reproachable as she was. For that reason, the sons of Aditi came to be known as Asuras, those who did not accept Sura or wine, while for the same reason Aditi's sons became known as Suras, those who take wine. The gods felt thrilled and overjoyed due to their acceptance of Varuni. Ditev putra natau Rama jagruhur varunatmaja aditestu suta veera jagruhustamaniндita asurastena daiteyaha surastena adite sutaha दृष्टा प्रमुदिताश्चासन् वारुणी ग्रहणात् सुराः. Sajivji, we'll do till the end, we'll conclude the chapter. There's one verse extra, doesn't matter. So we'll do 3 verses now, then 3 + 2 + 2, like that we can do. Uchchaishravahaya shresthaha
उच्चैश्रवाहय श्रेष्ठः
मणिरत्नञ्च कौस्तुभम्
मणिरत्नञ्च कौस्तुभम्
उदत्तिष्ठन्नरश्रेष्ठ
उदत्तिष्ठन्नरश्रेष्ठ
तथैवामृतमुत्तमम्
तथैवामृतमुत्तमम्
अथ तस्य कृते राम
अथ तस्य कृते राम
महानासीत् कुलक्षयः
महानासीत् कुलक्षयः
अदितेस्तु ततः पुत्राः
अदितेस्तु ततः पुत्राः
दितिपुत्रानयोधयन्
दितिपुत्रानयोधयन्
एकतामगमन् सर्वे
एकतामगमन् सर्वे
असुरा राक्षसैः सह
असुरा राक्षसैः सह
युद्धमासीन् महाघोरम्
युद्धमासीन् महाघोरम्
वीरत्रैलोक्यमोहनम्
वीरत्रैलोक्यमोहनम् उच्चैश्रवाहय श्रेष्ठः मणिरत्नम् च कौस्तुभम् उदतिष्ठन्नरः श्रेष्ठ तथैवामृतमुत्तमम् अथ तस्य कृते राम महानासीत् कुलक्षयः अदितेस्तु ततः पुत्राः द्वितीपुत्रान् योधयन् एकतामगमन् सर्वे असुरा राक्षसैः सह युद्धमासीन्महाघोरम् वीरत्रैलोक्यमोहनम्.
Next emerged, O jewel among men, Uchchaishrava, the foremost of all horses, Kaustubha, the most valuable of all gems, and even so Nectar, the excellent drink. Now over Nectar there ensued a colossal destruction of two races, gods and demons. On that occasion, the sons of Aditi actually fought with the sons of Ditu. All demons got united with augurs. The result was a most deadly conflict that bewildered all the three worlds, heaven, earth, and space, intervening them. O valiant Rama! Uchchaishravaahaya shreshtaha maniratnam cha kaustubham udattishtan narashreshta tathaivaamritamuttamam atha tasya krite Rama mahanasit kulakshayah aditestu tatah putraha ditiputrana yodhayan ekama एकतामगमन् सर्वे सुरा राक्षसैः सह युद्धमासीत् महाघोरम् वीरत्रैलोक्यमोहनम्
यदा क्षयं गतं सर्वं
तदा विष्णुर्महाबलः अमृतं सोहरत्तूर्णम् मायामास्थाय मोहिनीम् ये गताभिमुखं विष्णुम् अक्षरं पुरुषोत्तमम् संपिष्टास्ते तदा युद्धे विष्णुना प्रभविष्णुना यदा क्षयं गतं सर्वं तदा विष्णुर्महाबलः अमृतं सोहरत्तूर्णं मायामास्थाय मोहिनीं ये गताभिमुखं विष्णुम् अक्षरं पुरुषोत्तमं संपिष्टास्ते तदा युद्धे विष्णुना प्रभविष्णुना. When the whole host of gods and the demons approached destruction, the exceptionally mighty Lord Vishnu then hastily carried away the nectar, exhibiting his deluding potency in the form of a charming damsel. Those who opposed the immortal Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Person, on that occasion were completely crushed in an encounter by the Almighty. Yada kshayan gatam sarvam तदा विष्णुर्महाबलः अमृतं सोहरत्तूर्णं मायामास्थाय मोहिनीं ये गताभिमुखं विष्णुम् अक्षरं पुरुषोत्तमं संपिष्टास्ते तदा युद्धे विष्णुना प्रभविष्णुना
अदितेरात्मजा वीराः
दितेः पुत्राणि जघ्निरे अस्मिन् घोरे महायुद्धे दैतेयादित्ययोर्भृशम् निहत्य दितिपुत्रांस्तु राज्यं प्राप्य पुरन्दरः शशासमुदितो लोकान् सर्षिसङ्घान् सचारणान् ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये
वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये
बालकाण्डे पञ्चचत्वारिंशः सर्गः हरिः ओम्
बालकाण्डे पञ्चचत्वारिंशः सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत् अदितेरात्मजा वीराः दितेः पुत्रान् निजघ्निरे अस्मिन् घोरे महायुद्धे दैतेयादित्ययोर्भृशम् निहत्य दितिपुत्रांस्तु राज्यं प्राप्य पुरन्दरः शशासमुदितो लोकान् सर्षिसङ्घान् सचारणान् वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे पञ्चचत्वारिंशः सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्.
In this terrible major conflict between the sons of Diti and those of Aditi, the heroic sons of Aditi completely destroyed the sons of Diti. Having destroyed the sons of Diti and attained sovereignty, Indra, the destroyer of strongholds, felt delighted and ruled the three worlds, including the hosts of rishis and the charanas, celestial paths. Thus ends Canto 45 in the Balakanda of the glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of Rishi and the oldest epic. Aditeratmaja viraha ritev putran nijaghnire asmin ghore mahayuddhe daiteyadityayor bhrisham nihatya diti putramstu rajyam prapya purandaraha shashasamudito lokan sarshi sanghan sacaranan Om Tatsat Ityarche Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavye Balakande Panchachatvarimsha Sargaha Hari Om Tatsat Shri Sita Ramachandra Arpanamastu. It is immense Krupa. We've completed 45th Sarga. Let's move on immediately to the next one. Balama, we'll try with you. Now let's see. 46, first 6 verses for you. So this Shatchatvarimsha Sarga is having disconsolate over the death of her sons. Diti embarks on a course of austerities at Kushaplava with the permission of her husband. Sage Kashyapa with the object of securing a son capable of killing Indra. The latter, on coming to know of her intention, serves her during the period of her consecration, and taking advantage of her falling asleep on one occasion with her head in the wrong position, and thereby transgressing the rules of purity, enters her womb and carves the fetus. Let's see what is there in this topic when we are reading. Let's see, ambitious to complete the chapter. If not, doesn't matter. Hateshu teshu putreshu
हतेषु तेषु पुत्रेषु
Titif paramadukkhita
इति परमदुःखिता
Marichan Kashyapan Nama
मारीचं कश्यपं
Nama
राम
not Ra, Na.
no, it is Kashyapam Rama.
Oh, so you have a Ra over there. Okay. Bhartaramidam abravit
भर्तातारमिदम् अब्रवीत् हतेषु
Bhartaramidam abravit
भर्तारम् इदम् अब्रवीत्.
That Rama, you make Nama over there. That
नाम
won't be a Nama.
okay. हतेषु तेषु पुत्रेषु तिथि परमदुःखितः मारीचं कश्यपं नाम भर्तारमिदम् अब्रवीत्.
Sore afflicted on her aforesaid sons, having been killed in the course of their conflict with the sons of Aditi, Diti addressed her husband, named Kashyapa, son of Marich, as follows. Hateshu teshu putreshu Ditif paramadukkhita Maricham Kashyapan nama Bhartaramidam Next one. Hataputrasmi Bhagavan. No ending.
No, Bhagavan. Putrasmi Bhagavan.
Tava putrair mahabalaihi.
Tava putrair mahabalaihi.
Chakrahantaramichhami.
Chakrahantaramichhami.
Putran dirghataporjitam.
Putram dirghataporjitam. Hada putrasmi Bhagavan. Tava putrair mahabalaihi. Chakrahantaramichhami. Putram dirghataporjitam.
I've been deprived of my sons, O venerable sage, by your very mighty sons, the gods. Now I long for a son, secured, of course, through prolonged ascesis, that may be able to kill Indra, the destroyer of my sons. Hataputrasmi Bhagavan, Tava putrair mahabalaihi, Chakrahantaramichhami, Putran dirghataporjitam. Saham tapascharishyami.
Saham sarishyami.
Tapascharishyami.
Tapascharishyami. Saham tapascharishyami.
Garbham me datumarhasi.
Garbham etatu maharishi.
Garbham me.
Garbham
Me.
Garbham me. Garbham me eta
Datumarhasi.
Garbham eta tadu marhasi.
Datum arhasi is the word. Garbham me datumarhasi.
Sahasam tapascharishyami. Garbham etatu maharvasi.
Ye is not there. Just say Garbham me. No ye.
Garbham me tadu marhasi.
Correct. Ishwaram Shakrahantaram.
Again, madam? Again?
Ishwaram Shakrahantaram.
Here, Palavantam Maheshwasam.
Okay. Tavanudnyatumarhasi.
Sthiti Diksham Samadarshanam Darsinam Sahasam Tapasarsyami Garvate Tatu Maharasi Palavantam Maheshwasam Sthiti Diksham Samadarsinam.
Okay. As such, I shall practice austerities. Be pleased, therefore, to favor me with a powerful son capable of killing Indra. You ought to grant me.
Varshaji, here, after this line, Itrisham Chakrahantram Tavam Varasi.
Yes,
So
yeah.
this line is extra here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I can read these two.
Yes. Please read. Okay. Please read.
This Itrisham Chakrahantram
Ishwaram.
Chakrahantaram.
Ishwaram Shakrahantaram.
Tava Manupnyadu Varhasi.
Tavanudnyatum arhasi. Tavano.
Manupnyadu.
Not tava. Tvamanudnyatum arhasi.
Tvamanupnyadu Marhasi. Sahasam tapasharshyami karmate tu maharasi itrisham chakrahantaram tvamanugadu marhasi.
Ishwaram. Saham tapascharishyami garbham me datumarhasi Ishwaram shakrahantaram tam tvamanudnyatumarhasi. Next one. Tasyastat vachanam shrutva.
Tasyatat vasanam shrutva.
Marichah kashyapastada.
Marisha kashyapastita.
Kashyapastada.
Marisham kashyapastata.
Correct. प्रत्युवाच महातेजा
प्रत्युवाच महातेजा
दितिं परमदुःखिताम्
स्थितिं परमदुःखिताम् तस्यास्तत्वसनं कृत्वा मारीचकश्यपस्तताम् प्रत्युवास महातेजा तिथिं परमदुःखिताम्.
Hearing her aforesaid submission, the exceptionally glorious Kashyapa, son of Marichi, replied as follows to Diti, sore afflicted as she was. तस्यास्तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा मारीचः कश्यपस्तदा प्रत्युवाच महातेजा दितिं परमदुःखिता एवं भवतु भद्रन्ते
एवं भवतु पत्रं ते
शुचिर्भवतपोधने
सुशीर्भवतपोने तपोतने
जनयिष्यसि पुत्रं त्वम्
जनयिष्यसि पुत्रं त्वं
चक्रहन्तारमाहवे
चक्रहन्तारमाहवे एवं
पूर्णे
भवतु पत्रं ते सुशीर्भवतपो तपोतने जनयिष्यसि पुत्रं त्वं हन्तारमावहे माहवे.
I have a battle. Let it be so. May all be well with you. Observe purity till the birth of the son, O lady rich in ascesis. In the ripeness of time, you will give birth to a son who would be able to kill Indra in an encounter. Evam bhavatu bhadrante शुचिर्भवतपोधने जनयिष्यसि पुत्रं त्वं शक्रहन्तारमाहवे. Last verse for you. पूर्णे वर्षसहस्रे तु
पूर्णे वर्षसहस्रे तु
शुचिर्यदि भविष्यसि
शिशिर्यदि भविष्यसि
पुत्रं त्रैलोक्यहन्तारम्
पुत्रत्रैलोक्यहन्तारम्
त्रैलोक्यहन्तारम्
then पुत्रं त्रैलोक्यहन्तारम्
मत्तस्त्वं जनयिष्यसि
मत्तस्त्वं जनिष्यसि पूर्णे वर्षसहस्रे तु सुशिर्यदि भविष्यसि पुत्रं त्रैलोक्यहन्तारम् मध्यस्थं जनयिष्यसि.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Saying so, the highly glorious sage, at the end of full 1000 years, provided of course you maintain purity, you will bring forth through me a son capable of killing Indra, the ruler of the three worlds. Purne varsha sahasre tu shuchir yadi bhavishyasi putram trailokyahantaram mattastvam janayishyasi. Next 6 verses. एवमुक्त्वा महातेजाः
एवमुक्त्वा महातेजाः
पाणिना सम्ममार्जताम्
पाणिना सम्ममार्जताम्
तामालभ्य ततः स्वस्ति
तामालभ्य ततः स्वस्ति
इत्युक्त्वा तपसे ययौ
इत्युक्त्वा तपसे ययौ
गते तस्मिन् नरश्रेष्ठ
गते तस्मिन् नरश्रेष्ठ
दितिः परमहर्षिता
दितिः परमहर्षिता
कुशप्ल समासाद्य
कुशप्लवं समासाद्य
तपस्तेपे सुदारुणम्
तपस्तेपे सुदारुणम् एवमुक्त्वा महातेजाः पाणिना सम्ममार्जताम् तमालभ्य ततः स्वस्ति इत्युक्त्वा तामालभ्य ततः स्वस्ति इत्युक्त्वा तपसे ययौ गते तस्मिन् नरश्रेष्ठ दितिः परमहर्षिता
Kushaplavam. Kushaplavam.
कुशप्लवं sorry कुशप्लवं समासाद्य तपस्तेपे सुदारुणम्.
Saying so, the highly glorious sage stroked her with his hand and then touching her person and pronouncing his benediction on her, set out to resume his austerities. Duly reaching Kushaplava, when Kashyapa had departed, O jewel among men, Diti, full of great joy, began to practice more severe austerities. एवमुक्त्वा महातेजाः पाणिना सम्ममार्जताम् तामालभ्य ततः स्वस्ति इत्युक्त्वा तपसे ययौ गते तस्मिन् नरश्रेष्ठ दितिः परमहर्षिता कुशप्लवं समासाद्य तपस्ते ते सुदारुणम् तपस्तस्यां हि कुर्वत्याम् परिचर्याञ्चकारः सहस्राक्षो
नरश्रेष्ठ
परया गुणसम्पदा अग्निङ्कुशान्
काष्ठमपः
फलं मूलं तथैव च न्यवेदयत् सहस्राक्षः यच्चान्यदपि काङ्क्षितम्
तपस्तस्यां हि कुर्वत्यां परिचर्याञ्चकारः सहस्राक्षो नरश्रेष्ठ परया गुणसम्पदा अग्निङ्कुशाङ्काष्ठमपः फलं मूलं तथैव च न्यवेदयत् सहस्राक्षः यच्चान्यदपि काङ्क्षितम्.
While she practiced austerities, Indra, the thousand-eyed god, O jewel among men, rendered personal service to her through his exuberant wealth of virtues. So the tradition goes. Indra brought for her use fire. Fire. What is there? For her use blades of kusha grass, firewood, water, fruits as well as roots, and whatever else was desired by her. Tapastasyaam hi kurvantyam paricharyāncakārah सहस्राक्षो नरश्रेष्ठ परया गुणसम्पदा अग्निङ्कुशान् काष्ठमपः फलं मूलं तथैव च न्यवेदयत् सहस्राक्षः यच्चान्यदपि काङ्क्षितम् गात्रसंवाहनैश्चैव श्रमापनयनैस्तथा चक्र सर्वेषु कालेषु दितिं परिचचारः पूर्णे वर्षसहस्रे सा दशोने रघुनन्दन दितिः परमसंहृष्टा सहस्राक्षमथाब्रवीत्
गात्रसंवाहनैश्चैव श्रमापनयनैस्तथा शक्रः सर्वेषु कालेषु दितिं परिचचारः पूर्णे वर्षसहस्रे सा दशोने रघुनन्दन दितिः परमसंहृष्टा सहस्राक्षमथाब्रवीत्.
Thank you, Lotse. Indra, it is said, served Diti at all times by massaging her varied limbs and thus relieving her fatigue. Full 1000 years, but 10 having elapsed, O Rama, the celebrated Diti, who felt immensely delighted, forthwith spoke to Indra as follows. गात्रसंहाहनैश्चैव श्रमापनयनैस्तथा शक्रः सर्वेषु कालेषु दितिं परिचचारः पूर्णे वर्षसहस्रे सा दशोने रघुनन्दन दितिः परमसंहृष्टा सहस्राक्षमथाब्रवीत्. राधा कृष्णन जी. Next 6 verses, we'll do 2, 2, 2. तपश्चरन्त्या वर्षाणि दशवीर्यवतां वर अवशिष्टानि भद्रन्ते भ्रातरं द्रक्ष्यसे ततः. यमहं त्वत्कृते पुत्र तमाधास्ये जयोत्सुकम्. त्रैलोक्यविजयं पुत्र सह भोक्ष्यसि विज्वरः.
तपश्चरन्त्या वर्षाणि दशवीर्यवतां वर अवशिष्टानि भद्रन्ते भ्रातरं द्रक्ष्यसे ततः. यमहं त्वत्कृते पुत्र तमाधास्ये जयोत्सुकम्. त्रैलोक्यविजयं पुत्र सह भोक्ष्यसि विज्वरः.
Only 10 years have yet to be spent by me in practicing austerities. O jewel among powerful, may prosperity attend on you. You will after that behold a half-brother by your side. I shall place on friendly terms with you, my future son, whom I sought for your destruction's sake, my son, and who is consequently expected to be ever eager to conquer you, so that free from all anxiety, you will enjoy with him, my son, the conquest of all the 3 worlds that will be vanquished by him. तपश्चरन्त्या वर्षाणि दशवीर्यवतां वर अवशिष्टानि भद्रन्ते भ्रातरं द्रक्ष्यसे ततः. यमहं त्वत्कृते पुत्र तमाधास्ये जयोत्सुकम्. त्रैलोक्यविजयं पुत्र सह भोक्ष्यसि विज्वरः. याचितेन सुरश्रेष्ठ पित्रा तव महात्मना वरो वर्षसहस्रान्ते मम दत्तः सुतं प्रति इत्युक्त्वा च दितिस्तत्र प्राप्ते मध्यन्दिनेश्वरे निद्रयापहृता देवी पादौ कृत्वाथ शीर्षतः याजितेन सुरश्रेष्ठ पित्रा तव महात्मना वरो वर्षसहस्रान्ते मम दत्तः सुतं प्रति इत्युक्त्वा च दिदिस्तत्र प्राप्ते मध्यं दिनेश्वरे निद्रयापहृदा देवी पादौ कृत्वाथ शीर्षतः. To the effect that I should have a son at the end of 1000 years was granted in my favor, O jewel among gods, by your high-souled father, sage Kashyapa, when implored by me. Saying so, As the sun had just reached the meridian, the glorious Diti was overtaken by sleep and forthwith lay down, placing her feet where her head ought to have lain. याचितेन सुरश्रेष्ठ पित्रा तव महात्मना वरो वर्षसहस्रान्ते मम दत्तसुतं प्रति इत्युक्त्वा च दितिस्तत्र प्राप्ते मध्यन्दिनेश्वरे निद्रयापहृता देवी पादौ कृत्वाथ शीर्षतः दृष्ट्वा तामशुचिं शक्रः
दृष्ट्वा तामशुचिञ्चक्रः दृष्ट्वा
पादयोः
तामसशुचिञ्चक्रः
पादयोः कृतमूर्धजाम्
पादयोः कृतमूर्धजाम्
शिरस्थाने कृतौ पादौ
शिरस्थाने कृतौ पादौ
जहास च मुमोद च
जहास च मुमोद च
तस्या शरीरविवरम्
तस्या शरीरविवरम्
प्रविवेश पुरन्दरः
प्रविवेश पुरन्दरः
गर्भं च सप्तधा राम
गर्भं च सप्तधा राम
इच्छेद परमात्मवान्
चिच्छेद परमात्मवान् दृष्ट्वा तामशुचिञ्चक्रः पादयोः कृतमूर्धजाम् शिरस्थाने कृतौ पादौ जहास च मुमोद च तस्या शरीरविवरम् प्रविवेश पुरन्दरः गर्भं च सप्तधा राम चिच्छेद परमात्मवान्
Indra laughed and rejoiced to see her in an impure posture, having unconsciously allowed her hair to touch her feet, and to behold her feet placed where her head ought to have lain. Indra entered the orifice of her genitals by dint of his yogic path, O Rama, and carved the fetus into 7, fully alert as he was. Thank you, Radha Krishnanji. दृष्ट्वा तामशुचिं शक्रः पादयोः कृतमूर्धजा शिरस्थाने कृतौ पादौ जहास च मुमोद च तस्या शरीरविवरं प्रविवेश पुरन्दरः गर्भं च सप्तधा राम चिच्छेद परमात्मवान् शोभाजी भिद्यमानस्ततो गर्भः
भिद्यमानस्ततो गर्भः
वज्रेण शतपर्वणा
वज्रेण शतपर्वणा
रुरोद सुस्वरं राम
रुरोद सुस्वरं राम
ततोदितिरबुध्यत
ततोदितिरबुध्यत
मारुदो मारुदश्चेति
मारुदो मारुदश्चेति
गर्भं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत
गर्भं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत
बिभेद च महातेजा
बिभेद च महातेजा
रुदन्तमपि वासवः
रुदन्तमपि वासवः भिद्यमानस्ततो गर्भः वज्रेण शतपर्वणा रुरोद सुस्वरं राम ततोदितिरबुध्यत मारुदो मारुदश्चेति गर्भं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत बिभेद च महातेजा रुदन्तमपि वासवः.
The fetus thereupon cried in a shrill voice, while being cut with his thunderbolt, a weapon with 100 edges. O Rama and Diti then woke up. Indra went on saying to the fetus, "Pray, do not cry, do not cry." Nay, the exceptionally glorious Vasava, a name of Indra, continued to carve the fetus again and again, till each part was subdivided into 7, even though it remained crying. भिद्यमानस्ततो गर्भः वज्रेण शतपर्वणा रुरोद सुस्वरं राम ततोदितिरबुध्यत मारुदो मारुदश्चेति गर्भं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत बिभेद च महातेजा रुदन्तमपि वासवः न हन्तव्यं न हन्तव्यम्
न हन्तव्यम्
इत्येवन्दितिरब्रवीत्
इत्येवन्दितिरब्रवीत्
निष्पपात ततः शक्रः
निष्पपात ततः शक्रः
मातुर्वचनगौरवात्
मातुर्वचनगौरवात्
प्राञ्जलिर्वज्रसहितः
प्राञ्जलिर्वज्रसहितः
दितिं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत
दितिं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत
अशुचिर्देवि सुप्तासि
अशुचिर्देवि सुप्तासि
आदयोः कृतमूर्धजा
पादयोः कृतमूर्धजा मारुदो मारुदश्चेत् न हन्तव्यम् इत्येवन्दितिरब्रवीत् निष्पपात ततः शक्रः मातुर्वचनगौरवात् प्राञ्जलिर्वज्रसहितः दितिं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत अशुचिर्देवि सुप्तासि पादयोः कृतमूर्धजा.
He only said, the fetus should not be killed. It should not be killed. Out of deference to the remonstrance of his stepmother, Indra thereupon emerged from her womb. Appearing with his thunderbolt, Indra spoke to Diti with folded hands as follows. You lay asleep, O venerable lady, in an impure posture, with your hair touching the feet. न हन्तव्यम् इत्येवन्दितिरब्रवीत् निष्पपात ततः शक्रः मातुर्वचनगौरवात् प्राञ्जलिर्वज्रसहितः दितिं शक्रोऽभ्यभाषत अशुचिर्देवि सुप्तासि पादयोः कृतमूर्धजा
तदन्तरमहं लब्ध्वा शक्रहन्तारमाहवे
अभिन्दं सप्तधा देवी तन्मे त्वं क्षन्तुमर्हसि ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 46 सर्गः हरिः ओम्
बालकाण्डे 46 सर्गः हरिः ओम् तदन्तरमहं लब्ध्वा शक्रहन्तारमाहवे अभिन्दं सप्तधा देवी तन्मे त्वं क्षन्तुमर्हसि ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 46 सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्.
Vishwanaji, seizing the vulnerable point I carved into 7 the fetus that was designed to kill Indra, myself, in an encounter. You ought to pardon this offense of mine, O worshipful Devi. Thus ends Canto 46 in the Balakanda of glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of a Rishi and the oldest epic. तदन्तरमहल्लब्ध्वा शक्रहन्तारमाहवे अभिन्दं सप्तधा देवी तन्मे क्षन्तुम् अर्हसि ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 46 सर्गः हरि ओम श्री सीतारामचंद्रार्पणमस्तु. With his kripa, comfortably we have finished it right on time for daily Gita. And we'll continue in the next week and we'll see what the story unfolds further. Let's pause for today. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Sita Ramachandrarpanamastu. Thank you everyone for joining. See you all next week. Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Ashaji.
After Varshaji, that Mahateja, one place there is Visarga and 2 places there is
So that rule of Visarga also and whether everywhere the plural will happen or not. No, it's actually not the plural. It's a Ekvachan Vibhakti. I have not checked it actually. So that's why it is coming a problem. Yes, somebody was saying something. I heard somebody calling Varsha. No? Okay. Fair enough.
Thank you.
Hari Om. Let us catch up.
Hari Om, Varshaji.
Hari Om, Balama.